Kuryakyn. Let's talk. All right, so welcome back, Fat Boys. Today we're gonna be talking about these Kuryakyn throwover saddlebags and my 1-year review on having them. Let's start out positive. So we can start getting into these. The biggest thing for me is that these things come in ridiculously cheap in comparison to other saddlebags. I think altogether I paid about $170 or $200 for the set of these, and it is amazing for the value for what you get for these. These things are super high quality. All of these zippers along here are super high quality. They have a very tight seal and they have a wax coating, so that way they're weather resistant. And there are just a ton of pockets all over these things. And they hold a lot. And the best part is that altogether, each one of these saddlebags holds a lot. Already as much as generally a Harley touring bag. But then in order to make it even bigger, it has an expansion pouch, so that way it can hold even more. These things aren't rigid, so that way you can actually overstuff them if you want to. These bags hold literally a crap ton of anything you want to throw inside of them. I have taken these bags camping. I have taken these bags halfway across the country. I have done so many things with these bags, and they are super reliable in what they can hold and where you can take them, and through any weather you want to throw at them. The other reason why I decided to go with these bags is because there's no mounting hardware required for these bags. When I wanted to get bags, I wasn't sure if I wanted the bagger look or to have it on there. So I didn't want to 100% commit to it. And that can be a little scary when you're unsure of things. So what I ended up doing is I went with these throwover saddlebags. And these bags come with a crap ton of options to allow you to choose where to mount them and how to mount them to your motorcycle, because every motorcycle is different. So you can mount them in any way, shape, and possible form to fit your motorcycle and fit your needs. Just make sure when you are fitting these to your motorcycle, you aren't connecting them to anything that's going to be moving or allow them to catch on fire. Because if you put them too close to anything that's going to be hot, I don't know if they're going to catch on fire or not. On the back of here, there is a semi-rigid plate here, and it helps keep the bag's shape and keeps it rigid, while also the rest of the bag being completely flexible and allowing to shape and move. It is so good to have these options when looking at this bag. And even though this bag does have the wax sealing and really tight zippers for the weather, they also throw in some rain pouches for each of the bags, just to make sure if you're going through the worst weather storm out there, you know your crap isn't gonna get wet. Now, Kuryakyn, there's one major flaw in the design of these bags. And that is the middle mounting hardware between these bags. You got the nice throwover for your seat, but then here, got so much Velcro. For this, these zippers go in opposite directions. These need to be going in the same direction and preferably backwards. So that way, when you are zipping it, it's not at the front going to start to be separating, because I've been having that problem on this side, that when it is connected, these zippers, when the tension is on the motorcycle, it actually ends up separating. So i.e., when an example, and this is pulled all the way and you're going towards the wind, and this just slowly starts to separating like that with no resistance. Even when you put the extra Velcro on there, it's still not enough. You start doing it and it just slowly starts to come apart. From the weight, from the wind, it can slowly start to come apart, and it's a little annoying. So Kuryakyn, please fix this in your next version of these bags. So, if you like this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you ring the bell notification. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.